Okay, so we've looked at an if statement when there are two possible answers, and it might seem logical that when we do an if statement with three possible answers, we just do the same thing. In this case, we'd have a question such as how can we access the internet, and the answer could be either a wireless router, or a modem. Now this might seem like a good way to code, but there's a much more efficient way of doing this. The way that we would do this is we would actually have a list. So I'm going to make a list by doing answer3 equals, and I'm going to use square brackets, and in those square brackets I'm just going to take these answers here. So we can type them out: wireless router, in speech marks, comma, router, and then comma, modem. So those are my possible answers in the square brackets. I can now say very elegantly, if question 3 is in answer 3, well done, score equals score plus 1. So just to recap, there's a variable called question 3 where we ask the question, how can we access the internet? We're storing everything in lowercase, so you'll see all of this is in lowercase. If the value that's stored in question 3 is in this list, which is called answer 3, then it'll say print, well done, score equals score plus 1. Otherwise it'll say sorry, that is a wrong answer. And just check that your list is spelled correctly, because mine had a space in it. So just check that, and that's how you would use a list appropriately when you have 3 or more possible answers. Obviously, if you only have 2 possible answers, I would use this, a simple OR. If you only have 1 possible answer, I would just use a simple if statement. And that's it.